Hello guys, my name is Nick and welcome to my new YouTube video. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to install Rocket League for free on your PC. Well, as I probably know, this game in Steam is paid, but fortunately you can easily install this game in Epic Games Launcher. So this is still a very popular launcher, and if you don't have it downloaded, well, go to any browser and type in the search box Epic Games Launcher download. Go to their official website, and right here you can install this launcher for free, of course. Just click right here on download Epic Games Launcher, and finally in the top right corner of the screen you can see the Epic Games Launcher installer. After downloading it, just run it and create an account. But I already downloaded this launcher a long time ago and I have an account in this launcher, so after that open this launcher, and at the very top you can find search box. So type here Rocket League. Okay, here it is, just click on it. And now I'm on their official Epic Games Launcher page, where I can easily get this game. And you'll have a get button on the right hand side, so just click on it. So I have already got the game, I can only click on the in library button, just right here, click on it. Oh, and now I can install this game on my PC, just click on it. Now select the folder where the game will be saved to. You can turn on auto update, you can create shortcut, and after that just click on install at the bottom right. So check that checkbox. I have read and agree with the end user license agreement, and another one, click on accept. And finally started installing the game. Only 0%, but wait, and after installation you can play the game for free. So this is how you can install the game on your PC for free. Hope this video was helpful for you, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, bye bye.